In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Cataclismo on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and once you have done that, go to your Google browser. Go there, and now we need to locate the Steam game first. So we need to go to Steam to locate this game. And once you are there, just search for the game Cataclismo. Now, once you have done that, you can see this is a paid game on Steam. And on Steam you are paying €19.49. But if you go to the link in the description, I have added it in the video description. Click on that and then you will be redirected to this website. Now we search for the same game, and what we will do, we will select games on the left side and then price lowest first. And as you can see, we already are able to download this game for half of the price on Steam. So you will save yourself a lot of money while using this website to download your games. And it's completely safe, because what you do is buy this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with the steps to follow to download the game on Steam. Yeah, on Steam. So you download the same game, but you will get it a lot more cheaper than on Steam itself. So definitely try this out. I hope these tips were very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!